Hey everybody, I'm going to be showing you how to do emotion tracking. So what emotion tracking is simply a session type where we're going to be observing the emotional tones that we perceive. Now, I'm not in this particular session type, you're not limited to any set of emotional labels. So this is more as a almost like a you could say an introductory practice to help you start to develop a vocabulary of your own for describing the emotions that are presently in this moment being felt in the body. We're not concerned about the uh, duration of a particular emotion. We're really interested in the variety and fluctuation of emotions we can experience. So I'm just going to hit start. And all we do is once we've started a session, we just begin to tune into our bodies and we observe what emotions are present in the moment. This should not be some type of analytical practice where we're really trying to use our mind to kind of figure out what's the right answer. We really should just be observing what's being felt and then giving an appropriate label to that feeling. So I'm going to tune in, and I'm not feeling any emotion literally right now. I'm just feeling very cool and calm. And you could say calm, right? That can technically be considered an emotional state. So I'll just type in calm. And then I'm going to wait to see if something different pops up. And maybe, given that I'm talking on camera, maybe I'm feeling a little anxiety. I'm feeling a little anxious. And if that is what you're feeling, you can simply type in anxiety or just go to the autocomplete and tap in anxiety. This practice is really designed to somewhat be freestyle and giving you the option of creating whatever labels that you think best map to the emotion you're experiencing in the moment. It's really focused on helping you develop a sensitivity and capability for labeling your emotions. So if you're someone that say has like anhedonia, where you struggle to actually be aware of the emotions you experience, this type of practice can actually be incredibly helpful for giving you a better sense of clarity on what emotions are arising in the moment. And that is emotion tracking.